If you want to call and set up a voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we're gonna open the phone app. Now here we're gonna switch to the keypad, and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial your voicemail. That should be pretty straightforward. You should be able to reach your voicemail just like that. However, if you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, you might have an incorrect voicemail number. And in this case, we can tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner and you can go to settings. Over here in settings, we can scroll down to find voicemail. And then in here, you can find the voicemail number. And you can edit this voicemail number in case it is incorrect or in case this field is empty. You can contact your operator or service provider to ask them about the voicemail number, or you can try to Google that information. Once you manage to call the voicemail, you can listen to the voicemail in order to follow the instructions that should allow you to set it up. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.